Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm not alone. Besides, I have this wonderful oil pan with me. I also have the guy who makes these or who creates these. They also developed everything. So yeah, we worked together for, I don't know, a year, two?
Probably 3 years now.
Ah, yeah, 3. Yeah, it started quite early. Yeah, you're right. So yeah, that's what they are doing. Let's talk about your company for a minute.
My name is Adrian. I partly own a company called HSZ Fertigungstechnik. We do CNC milling, turning, also engineering. We do a lot of car upgrade parts for different motorsports companies, like Phil is also one. Yeah. And we also build a lot of drones for some companies. That is carrier drones, transport drones, target drones. And we also do a lot of development in that area, yeah. In that area. And that's what we do. And we also like fast cars. And so it's an honor to provide the pans for his race car and also for you guys.
Yeah. So the reason for this giveaway is this small notch up here, and this one's just from powder coating, so it's only this one. One of their tools broke while manufacturing these, and then we talked about it and thought, yeah, should we do it at the discount rate or should we hang it on the wall or whatnot? And yeah, we decided to make it in a special color. So this one's powder coated and not
anodized.
Anodized, yeah.
Yeah, Phil came up with the idea to try this as some kind of special edition.
Exactly.
So it's right now it's one of a kind. It's the only one in the world like this.
And we decided to make a giveaway.
Yeah, we give it to you.
Yeah, somebody of you can win it. A lot of you guys already subscribed to our Instagram channel. You can find all the details about the giveaway in our Instagram channel. And also all the details, it's gonna get a vote. It's not that we're gonna decide who gets this one, it's you guys can decide. We're gonna just make voting, and yeah, that's basically it. Somebody of you, I hope, our only goal is that it goes to somebody who uses it as it's designed to. So somebody who goes on the track, who uses it quite hard.
Please don't use it to stay in traffic jam.
Yeah. Yeah, or somebody might just win it and decide to sell it. That's actually not the idea. The idea is that hopefully it goes to somebody who's gonna use it and have some fun with it. Because it looks very, very nice and it just goes below the engine and you'll never see it again.
It looks much better than we
anticipated.
Yeah.
I wasn't quite sure. To be honest, it was I wanted it candy red, and I pitched the idea to him, and he was like, "Yeah, you're sure?" But it came out much better than
I'm always a bit of critical in terms of colors because most of the parts we just do black.
No. Because
I think black is the best color for parts like this because it fits everything.
Yeah, and you can't go wrong with black.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. And some of you guys can win it, and if you haven't, just subscribe to our Instagram channel and send your
cars,
yeah,
send your pictures, tag us,
and
post a story,
and hopefully somebody wins it.
Yeah,
who's gonna use it? Yeah, so that's it. Very quick and short. Yeah, we are very, very used to making videos together. We actually talked about what we're gonna say in the video like 2 minutes before that. Yeah, yeah, true professionals. So yeah, we both do things or other things better than videos, but we try our best. So thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.
Nicht zum Schluss.